Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Duffy, and today we're going to be studying your spelling words from Unit 1, Week 3. And the spelling rule that we're following this week is final E. Now E can have different jobs. In this list of words, we're going to find that the E is in a vowel consonant E pattern. That's going to make a long vowel sound. This is a symbol I'm going to use. It's called a macron, and I'm going to write it. It's called a macron, and we use it to indicate a long vowel letter sound. Let's get started. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure you can read all of these words. So read them over and over and over again. We are going to encode or write on this dot and jot. You can use a blank piece of paper and then just put these little dots down when you hear the sounds. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. We're going to go all the way down to number 15. The rest are your review words. So let's get started. The first word is date. Watch me write it. D-A-T. Notice it has three phonemes, three sounds in the word. D, A, I hear that long vowel A, T. Now in order to get that long vowel A, there's an E here. So I'm going to slip it in on that same box as the T because we don't hear it by itself, so it doesn't get its own box. But that bridge right there is going to make that A say long vowel sound. This next word is lake. 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 Also, it has three sounds, but there's four letters. Watch me write it. A. Do you hear it? K. It's a K. And again, I'm going to put that E on the same sound box as the K because I don't hear it separately. This word is skate. Skate is sk. That's a blend. A, t, sk. A, long vowel A, t. And when I hear a long vowel A and I put that macron over the top, I'm going to put that E right here on that same sound box as the T because the A and the T, it's a vowel consonant E pattern. And that's what final E is doing this week in this group of spelling words. Plain. Plain. Only four sounds. That's because there's a blend here. There's my blend. I can hear both of those. A, long vowel A, N, and I don't hear anything after that final N sound. So I'm going to put that E in here, make that A say its name. See the bridge? Next one, grade. G, R, A, D. Four phonemes, four sounds. G, R, A, long vowel A, I put the macron over the top of it, D. That's going to remind me that it's not grad, that would have been a closed syllable, so I'm going to put that E here so that it gets that pattern like a bridge. The vowel consonant E right there. Alright, so I'm going to erase these. We're going to go to the next set. Fine. Fine. Only three phonemes, that's easy. I. If you can listen for that sound, you'll know right away you're going to have another letter here. Fine. That's the last sound I hear, but there's an E on the end because of that bridge, the vowel consonant E pattern. Life. I. Now that would be lif if it was a closed syllable, that breathe would be on top. But we want live. So I'm putting that line, that macron, over top to remind myself to put that E here. Your teacher won't mind if you include it. It doesn't change the spelling at all. Rice. R-I-S. Let's watch this one. R-I. I hear the long vowel I. I hear S. And so that's represented with a C. That's called a soft C. I'm going to put the E here because the E is here. It's making the C soft for an S sound, and it's also bridging the I and the E together for that long vowel sound for the macron. The next word is wise. W, eyes, w, eyes. And I'm going to put the E here. Now in this word wise, I can hear the S. This one I might want to pay special attention to when I'm studying the words this week because so I'm going to put a heart over it. I want to learn it by heart. But this one I think you'll be fine with. And the last one for this section is smile. You should do this right on your spelling test. There's no harm in that. There's my long I. Oh. So I can't leave it that way. That would be smell, right? That would be a closed syllable, one vowel followed by a consonant, making a short vowel sound. We don't want that. We want the vowel consonant E pattern. So I'm going to plug that E right in there. And I have smile. Right, let me erase this section. I almost erased all of these. And we're going to go down from 11 to 15. This word is rose. 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 Oh, you know those graphemes, those letters. Rose. Now you might think it sounds like a Z, but we know because we've read it over and over again, this is when that's going to help you out a lot. You know it would look funny with a Z. Rose. Sometimes an S does make a Z sound. Let's go to the next one, globe. G. That might be your tricky part. There's the blend. G. That's two consonants together, making two separate sounds. Obe. 4 phonemes. Did you notice that there's only about 3 or 4 phonemes usually in these words? That's mostly true. There might be more graphemes, but there are not a lot of sounds in a syllable. So if you can stretch out your words so that you can hear all the sounds in that syllable, or for instance, these are one-syllable words in the word, you're going to be a very good speller. Globe. G. O. O. There's my long O. B. Remember, B start at the top. If that's your tricky spot, you might want to put a little heart there to make sure you memorize it the correct way. Don't lose credit because you wrote it incorrectly. And I'm putting the E on the end so I get this nice bridge. Smoke. Oak. Those are easy. Oh, there's my long O. I'm just training my ear to listen for that long vowel O. K. I don't need a CK because this vowel is long. So I'm just going to put the K there because in a long vowel, we don't need CK. That's only used for short vowels. And come down here to come. Now, come, I just want you to memorize come. C-O-M-E, come. I don't want you to do any dot and jots for that. So here it is. C-O-M-E, come. Just spell it and say it and spell it. Say it and spell it. Now for used, we can use the dot and jot. I'm going to cut off the D in this section and just write the base word of use. Use. Notice it's only 2 phonemes, right? Use. And I need that E to make the U a long U, and I'm just going to put this suffix on the end. It would really be the suffix of ed, but E's doing a lot of work here. He is making the U long, and he's the ending, but memorize that it is U-S-E-D. I'm putting the D on its own spot because I'm not going to sound that out. Just use. And there you have it. Those are the spelling words for Unit 1, Week 3, Final E, where E is making the vowel, say a long vowel sound.